Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, now there is a petition to reshuffle Minister Gayton McKenzie as the Minister of Home Affairs. So guys, he is currently the Minister of Sports and Arts and Culture, and now people are just like, you know what, he needs to be the Minister of Home Affairs because they have seen his involvement in what has been happening with the drama that we were facing with Uchidima Adechina, and how he was, how he was just interested in it and how he wanted to get to the bottom of the truth. So they believe that he will be able to solve the issues of illegal immigration and also issues of illegal immigrants also. So they believe that he is a great fit for South Africa, and also he should be reshuffled. So I really don't know, guys. Do you guys think he would make a good Minister of Home Affairs? I really don't know. Maybe he is what we currently need in South Africa, because there are a lot of people with fake papers. There are a lot of people who are living in this country illegally, So maybe he can be a great minister, because one thing that I like about him, he doesn't beat around the bushes, guys. He calls a spade a spade. He just tells it like it is, Some people were saying that he is xenophobic and all of that, but he was just trying to speak his mind, So I believe that maybe he can be able to just, bring the change that we need. But now the petition that has been started, guys, it is rapidly growing. It is rapidly growing, guys. It started recently, but it currently has more than 7,000 signatures, meaning that people are agreeing with the fact that he needs to be the Minister of Home Affairs, So we don't know if what the president will say, because now currently people are waiting to hear what the president has to say. Is he agreeing with all of this or not? And also Minister Gayton McKenzie Naye, is he agreeing with all of this or not? So we will hear. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.